So you've just won a Volvo EC140EL over at 𝗘𝗖𝗂𝗋𝐶ompetitions.com. And you're probably asking yourself, what am I going to do with it?
Obviously, you can move dirt. Save distressed animals. Assist in digging holes. Help your friends get to those hard-to-reach places.
This was just a short demonstration of some of the things you could do to be just that little bit more helpful in your community. So get over to 𝗘𝗖𝗂𝗋�competitions.com and grab a ticket for just $5.97.